So this is gonna be my first attempt, or my first time trying this fragrance right here. As you can see, it is called Rich Red Icone Paris. This is by Geranium, French company. I hope that you can see the name over here. A friend of mine called me a few days ago and told me, you gotta try this, because I told him from before that I wanted a fragrance that smells like Versace Eros Flame, and he suggested me this one for a much cheaper price. But this is gonna be the first time ever that I'm gonna try it, so let's see how it is. So this is gonna be like an unboxing and first impression. Alright, as you can see, a really charming red color for the box, but I never seen the bottle from before, so let's check it out. Alright, this is the bottle. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, you definitely can see it. Lovely red color with golden textures or golden text right here. It says Rich Red Icone. So let's open it and try it out. The cap is a little bit loose, not really that good of quality. We have here the Geranium logo, and here we have the batch code and information. So let's spray a little bit and see about it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 sprays. Yeah, definitely. It definitely smells a little bit like Eros Flame, and it even have that Eros DNA, the first Eros by Versace. But it's a little bit different than Eros Flame. It has its own vibe so far, but it does smell like it, but it feels like it has its own vibe, like it's going to be going to another different direction. And it smells really, I would say so far it smells pleasant. A little bit shower jelly as well. I'm trying to figure out the notes. Yeah, definitely shower jelly, a little bit ambroxy as well. It does remind me of other fragrances, not just Eros Flame. Okay guys, so far it is really pleasant, very masculine. It smells a little bit sophisticated, but still I would say a little bit too much, too shower jelly, a little bit ambroxy as well, and there is like some leather vibe in it. It is a little bit fruity, grapefruit as well, a little bit citrusy. It does smell like Eros Flame, most definitely, but I can definitely now, I think after like 1 minute, 2 minutes, I can feel that it is going in on its own direction. So guys, I guess this is the first impression video. I will meet you later for the full review for this fragrance, and I will tell you if it is really a good clone of Versace Eros Flame. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So 36 hours later, now it's gonna be my final and full review for this fragrance, Rich Red Icone by Geranium. So as I said in the first video, in the first impression, I said that some people are been saying that this is like a cheap alternative of Versace Eros Flame. So I gave it a try, I gave it a full wearing, and I also went to the store to try Versace Eros Flame and to see and do the comparison between the two. So this is gonna be my 2 cents about this fragrance right here. So Rich Red Icone. Rich Red Icon is not as peppery as Versace Eros Flame. It is not as seductive as that fragrance. This is even much more woodier, and it seems like it is a little bit like it's not very well balanced. I'm not saying this is a bad fragrance. It does smell pleasant, but it doesn't smell like something like a high quality. This is my point. It doesn't smell like an expensive fragrance, and definitely smells like some sort of generic type of perfume. So back home now to finish this review for this fragrance. I'm gonna tell you about the performance and my opinion, and if I recommend this fragrance as a clone of Versace Eros Flame. So yeah, from the very first opening you get that citrusy, a little bit spicy, aromatic type of vibe. Then right away it gets woodier with the woodsy notes. And it is not really a linear type of fragrance. There is some developments, there is some changes, and I would say it gets the fragrance gets more pleasant with the time. It smells, I would say, even better than the opening. I mean, after the dry down, it gets better and better. But then, I mean, while it's projected for the first hour, I mean, after that 1 hour, 1 hour and a half mark, it gets a little bit weaker. But yes, for the longevity, you get really, I think you get between 7 to 8 hours. It's not a weak fragrance, like for example, like a Zara fragrance. Pretty good longevity. It is okay, 7-8 hours. It is pretty okay. As I said, it projects for the first hour to 1 hour and a half. It is definitely noticeable. People can definitely notice it on you, and yeah, definitely pleasant fragrance. You get a few compliments. I did get a few compliments, but only from guys, because I didn't have the chance to like ask females' opinions. But it got a few compliments. But in my opinion, in my honest opinion, this fragrance really didn't blow me away. I was expecting much more from it, especially that because, as I said, a lot of people recommended it as a Versace Eros Flame clone. Do I consider it as a good clone of that fragrance? I would say no. But I would say also that it is definitely inspired from Versace Eros Flame. It is a pretty okay, decent inspiration from that fragrance, and I wish it had better performance. I wish, I mean, they could definitely do better with this one right here. I mean, the company Je Parlis, they could have done really better. Maybe there will be an eau de parfum concentration for this one. Maybe it will be better, because this is an eau de toilette, as you can see over here. So yeah, I think they improved some stuff with this fragrance compared to the other fragrances they had from before. They improved the presentation, the box, as you can see, pretty decent, I mean pretty gorgeous actually, type of box. I really like this box. The presentation is really very nice. So many people saw this on my shelf, on my collection, and they really, I mean, the red color definitely attracted them. The only thing that I don't like about this bottle is definitely the cap. It's a little bit loose, but I asked around, I asked a friend, and he said that the cap on his bottle is okay. Maybe it's just my bottle. I love the atomizer with this one. It does really very well job. So yes, my opinion, as I said, I recommend you guys to get the real deal if you want Versace Eros Flame. Save and get that fragrance, or you can get a smaller size. But if you wanna, I mean, if you want something affordable, you can definitely try this one. Meanwhile, we can, I mean, meanwhile there is a better clone or a better inspiration of Versace Eros Flame. I mean, if you find this one for a cheap price, you can definitely pull the trigger on it. You can definitely buy it. But if you find it like the price is a little bit exaggerated, more than $35, I would say don't buy it. So yes, I guess this is it for our video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and In case you haven't seen the review for this fragrance right here, it is also from the company Gepalis. This is a great discovery. This one is definitely a clone of Bleu de Chanel Parfum. The resemblance is very mind-blowing. If in case you didn't see that video, I'm definitely leaving the link of that video down below this video. And you can also check out the other fragrance from this company that's called Gold Elegant. That's a clone, a great clone of 1 Million Intense. You can find the video right below this one in the description box. So guys, please a like for this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned for the next videos. There will be other interesting videos very soon on the channel. So yeah, take care and bye bye.